With the kind permission of the chair, delegates such as Luzino Ferreiro, Gilson Fernandez, Prashant Gonkar, Yatish Naik, Doris Teixeira, Aishwarya Shrilankar. Today also we were responded nothing here, they also joined with us, and so many others. I want to learn Konkoni, what they said, Gwani, one. But let me tell one thing. Tumchi bhai mu aya. I am just like your sister. I came here to capture your power. But my heart touches to see the people when they are facing trouble, if you can help them. You will do your job. We will just help you from the process. And also, what I want to say, केंद्राची दादागिरी ना आणि नका. We believe in democracy, and Goa is a beautiful state. I love the Goan brothers and sisters, the farmers, the fishermen, the taxi drivers, the shop owners, the tourism industry, the mines, everything. I think now I know better than even Ferreiro about the Goa, because I studied something before coming over here. This is not the first time I am coming for politics. I came earlier. You must remember, just before 10 years ago, when I was the Central Railway Minister, I came to Goa to inaugurate for the International Film Festival. I was there to inaugurate that festival. I was so proud. Number two, again I came. For your information only I am saying, when I was the railway minister, twice I was the railway minister, I set up this MRDC Mumbai Rail Broadcast Corporation, and also I know the Konkan Railway, and Konkan Railway, they discovered the anti-collision device machine to stop the railway accident, and that time it was my time. I came to Madgaon to discover that anti-collision device, for which now the train accident is being stopped. It is a Konkan Railway, a contribution. It is nothing new that I am coming only for political purpose. Earlier I came for development purpose, for cultural purpose, and I appreciate your cultural activities. The similar thing, Bengal we love fish, you also love fish, but you have enough fish, cities, it is good for them. And fishing industry is one of the biggest industry, but they are not getting the subsidy also. They said, now after this meeting I am going to meet the fishermen. I will be very happy. You have the football clubs, and Bengal also have the football clubs in every block. And you know, last time our slogan was Khela Hobe, means the Kherenge. There will be a game. And football is our, it is our heart. Just like you, we respect all the game. But football, your Goan brothers and sisters, they love football like anything. Who doesn't know the Goa football? Who doesn't know the East Bengal, Mohun Bagan or Mohammedan? Even now also they are practicing for ISL in Goa. So three similar things is there. His, the football and folk culture. Bengal and Goa is the same thing. Now Bengal is a very strong state. We want to see that Goa is a strong state for the future, the Navi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. We want to see. How is it possible? Yes, somebody is questioning. Mamata ji is in Bengal. How she will do the Goa? Why not? I am Indian. I can go to anywhere. You can go to anywhere. So I came here because my brothers and sisters, they are going to request me in my secretariat, and I was so happy. When you invited the International Film Festival to inaugurate, they never asked this question. When I came for railway development, you never asked this question. And you are asking me this question, whether I am a Hindu or Muslims or Catholics or Christians or what is this? I believe secularism, I believe unity, I believe India is our motherland, if Bengal is my motherland, if Goa is also my motherland. And remember that, from Goa to Kolkata only 2 hours. Don't worry, BJP friends and other friends. I don't want to mention all the names. Yesterday when I was coming, my friend was telling how they are torturing our people. This is a good sign. They are scared. They are afraid. They are in tension. It is a mental pollution. They are facing the mental tension and mental pollution because they don't have the culture. They don't have the leadership. Yesterday when I was coming to airport, maybe 20-25 people, they have shown me the black flag. I told them namaste. उन्होंने मेरे को ब्लैक फ्लैग लेके अभिनंदन किया, तो मैंने नमस्ते कह के अभिनंदन किया कि it is good for me. The people will blacklist you very soon. Just wait. The Goa people will blacklist you very soon in other parts also. Trinamool Congress is a formidable force. And our history, if you see, we never compromise. Goa, the people are disturbed because even earlier, the people were elected and they joined the BJP. And that's why this government is, BJP formed the government. We don't want this and we will never bow down this. We want that who will be contesting from Trinamool Congress, or when Trinamool Congress will work, we don't want to sell our party. Sometimes some party sell their party to BJP, but we are not. We want to see the symbol of the BJP is not in Goa. Politically, it is the people's choice and the people's decision. The unemployment problem is rising like rocket sky high. The price rise, the mine flows, workers are facing troubles, the fishing industry, even the taxi drivers, even the unemployed youth and women. I have seen a paper today, they have written that 24% crime of women, security of women, the crime of women are increasing. Our promise, we will empower the women. It is the only party I am telling you, Trinamool Congress. If you see our parliamentary party, 41% elected women are there. It is the only party without the reservation. In our Panchayat municipality, 50% reservation is there. We give women employed 371 days, 671 days leave, maternity leave, and to grow up their children and all this to build up. So we give free of leave to them. Like them, their fathers leave also 1 month to grow the child. And women also, it is about 761 days like this. So women empowerment, I can assure you, we want to give more importance to women and young generation. Of course, the 15% taxi driver, somebody is saying, we will group this money. That money will not enough. Allow them to stand in their own way. We gave, instead of 1,000, 2,000, we gave 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs a taxi driver to purchase their own car. And that scheme is Gati Dhara. We are already doing. For fishermen also, we are giving 5 lakh rupees for modern boats and all modern ships. We have given them the identity card. We are giving them the house. If any disaster, we are the first person to help them. And you know, our state is a very big state. And you have Goa sea, it's a beautiful sea. We have also, there are some Bay of Bengal area, big area. And also we have Digha sea also, Mandarmoni, Digha, Tajpur, that also. So we have the fisherman community there. There also we are helping them. So young generation, we want. In Bengal I can tell you one thing, let them say whatever. We have about 11 crore population. And Bengal, under our regime, when in India, the unemployment is increasing, Bengal 40% decreasing. And poverty, it is not our version. It is the government of India, they admitted, and the other research center all. Even the poverty, it decreased about 40% within this short time. We have set up so many universities, so many hospitals, so many mother-child hubs. Even Goa is a small place, but beautiful place. Only 16 lakh population, maybe about that, 11 lakhs voters. So if we can do for Bengal, we give Kanyasri all the girl child, the scholarship from school, college to university, all covered. It is all caste, all creed, all community covered. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Apos Mera, Bhai Bhai, all covered. We give free cycle to class 9, all the students. We give tab or the smartphone to class 12, all the students, girls and boys, both. At the time of marriage, we give 25,000 rupees. Even when a student studied without marrying, within 18 years, we give them another 25,000 rupees. Now we started a program, Lakshmi Bhandar. Means we are giving for the scheduled caste tribes monthly 1,000 and all the women 500 rupees for their, just to give them a self-respect. So they can spend at least for any purpose, whatever they want. Even if there is a death, we give the rupees for their cremation also, or their coffin also. That also we give. If a child born, you give a newborn baby, a new good plant, tree plantation program. So all the programs are there. If we can do for Bengal, Goa is a very small state, I will be happy to do it. I can tell you one thing, that I am not outsider. I am not going to be the chief minister of Goa. But I want to see that there must be a system, the policy, the mechanism, the anti-corruption corrupt government. And work for the people. ऐसा छोटा स्टेट है, एक पंचायत का काम करने के लिए वो हमारा खिलाफ कहते हैं, कितना है? If I go, our party go, अगर हम त्रिपुरा जाते हैं तो पिटता है, असम जाते हैं तो जाने नहीं देते हैं, जाने नहीं देता, छुपा के हम लोग हमारा एमपी लोगों ने किया। If I come to work, they deface my poster. अरे भाई आप डिफेस कर लो, करते करते कब आप डिफेस हो जाओगे इंडिया से, तब आपको पता चलेगा। But what they are doing will not take revenge like this. We will work for the people. The Goa of the Goa people, Goa of the Goan, for the Goan, and it will work for the Goan. And we from the outside will help you in your system, in your mechanism, in everything. We know how to do it. I worked as a railway minister twice throughout the country. So I know each and every part of this country very well, better than anybody else. I worked twice as a railway minister, coal mines minister, women and child minister, youth and sports minister. So I worked 3 times chief minister, 7 times I was the I was the MP, I was the standing committee chairman. So I know India very well than any other is. And that's why if one brothers and sisters, if you want that yes, Trinamool Congress like a transparent party, you can trust, we will give our 100% trust to you. We can assure you, और दिल्ली का दादागिरी नहीं चलेगा, केंद्रीय दादागिरी अनकन्नक्का। Goa will run from Goa. We want to see strong union of states. The state should be strong. State should be self-sufficient. The federal structure should be strong. And all of my brothers and sisters, they will feel proud that their future, it depends on them. It is not the outsiders, it is the insiders. I will appreciate the insiders, you take charge. Somebody can tell us why you are contesting. Let the communists to contest. Why they contested so many times, these 70 years, 60 years, 65 years. What they have done? Last time, even their MLAs went to BJP to form the government. You cannot control your MLAs. You cannot take a decision in a proper time. You allow BJP to form the government. And again, next week, it won't repeat. Who can say that it won't be repeated? The same thing. So how do you trust them? And if you can trust us, I can tell you, the Trinamool Congress will fight the battle. They are ready to give their blood for war, but they will not compromise with BJP. That is our promise and assurance. With these words, this is my first interaction with my, my workers and leaders. Earlier they went there. I have my party here. They will take care. I will request all the civic society, all the youth clubs, fishing communities, taxi drivers, tourism sectors, teachers, professors, doctors, all cultural people who have good culture. I love your music. From my childhood, I know that song. Mera naam, choo chee. Hello master, how do you do? That old film. It was made in Howrah, I think so. Ashok Kumar and Kelly. So that song we know, and we know the rhythm of Goa. It's a beautiful cultural rhythm. And our Bengal also culturally very high, and you are also culturally very high. We want to give you full protection for your cultural heritage. And keep your culture high. Keep your head high. so that nobody can touch you or they cannot treat that you are the third child. Everybody is to consider it is Goan brothers and sisters, they are the first child of the Goans. All child we love, but sometimes it is not. Bengali we say chagore titiyo chana. How they discriminate, divide like this. We don't want. We want that up with your pride, with your heritage, with your culture. We can set up so many educational colleges, universities. We have, in Calcutta, so many universities, so many colleges. We can tie up with you. So there in the hospital, we can tie up with you. Hospital, we give full free treatment to the people. Goa, are you getting the free treatment of the people? Goa, do you have the system? No. But in Bengal, you see, from heart transplantation to kidney transplantation, all free treatment. It is government hospital, no money is required for treatment. Even for minorities also, I am telling you, we have the reservation 17%. Out of that, 90% it is with the minorities. They are also getting the OBC reservation and all this, and they have improved in higher education. They have become doctors, engineers, IS, IPS, what not. Even the Christian community asked BJP people why they didn't allow me to go to Rome, Vatican. Why not? That day Congress didn't say that it is wrong. For International Peace Conference, Mr. Pope was there. The other important 3-4 personalities were there. And from Asia, I was only invited. But central government didn't give me the permission to go. Italian government, they gave me special permission. But they didn't give the permission. I do the Ganapati Chaturthi at my residence because Ganapati Bappa Moria, it starts from our new Calcutta, what we say, for new business. Or also we used to do the Durga Puja, we used to do the Kali Puja, we used to celebrate the Eid. I personally go for Ramzan or Roza, Iftar. I personally go to church for night prayer program, 24th of December. Every year I used to go. And for Christians also, we started the celebration about 15 days, like you know. If you go there, you will see how they are happy. Minorities community also, we give them full freedom, their security, their education. Christians also, they are very happy. Hindus are also. We don't divide the people like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh side. We unite the people. That is our motto. I may die, but I cannot divide the country. I am proud to say every drop of my blood, it is for the unity. I don't divide. Sometimes BJP say, she is anti-Hindu. I am Hindu. You will give me a character certificate that I am a Hindu or I am Muslim. Who are you to give the character certificate? First you decide your character certificate. Then you decide for others. I am also from a Brahmin family, but I never said all these things. I am sorry to say. Sometimes I feel guilty that it never happens earlier. If you ask me for Hindu, I will say yes, Om Sarva Mangala Mangalle or Ganapati Bappa Moria. If you ask me for Muslim, I will say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. If you ask me for Christian, I will say God is great, God is good. If you ask me for Sardarji also, I will say Bhai Guru Ji Ka Khalsa, Bhai Guru Ji Ka Fateh. I will say everybody, even the Jains. Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravido, Utkal, Bongo. Every state they have their own respect. So please carry this flag. Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a national party. Any party can come to anywhere. There is no problem. If we go, then he will deface us. He will show us black flag. He will not give us the permission. Why? Because they know Trinamool Congress may die, but they will never compromise. That is their worry. And for that, we have also decided we will work for Goa in a strong manner. It is not that we want to divide the vote politics. You have got so many opportunities for the other political parties. Give one opportunity to Trinamool Congress. Give one opportunity to All India Trinamool Congress. It is also a national party. And shortly we said TMC, Temple Mosque Church. Temple. That is our motto. So with these words, I think I will come so many times, no problem. This is my political visit first time maybe, but I will come other time also because I want to see the village also. I love to see. And whatever the time our party will be coming also, they will be with you always. Our leaders are also there. I request the other leaders also to join. Civic society, the other people, the youth clubs, the footballers, to cultural people, even taxi drivers, to fishermen, all join with us. We will give you really a Nabi Sakal for Goa.